Well, hello there, and welcome back to the garden. Things are growing well, if not a bit too quickly, and the last thing on your mind is next year. But to have a truly thriving garden next year, free of pests, and full of healthy, productive plants, you need to start thinking about it now. A garden isn't just a collection of plants, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. I'll share my personal guide to a naturally pest-free garden. We'll cover everything from understanding beneficial insects to natural ways to deter pests. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. Let's get started. Before we dive into pest control, let's appreciate the bigger picture, your garden's ecosystem. It's a complex, beautiful network of life that thrives on balance and harmony. A garden is a living tapestry of interconnected life. Each element, from the tiniest insect to the tallest tree, plays a crucial role in maintaining this delicate balance. You've got your soil, teeming with microscopic organisms, bacteria, and fungi, all working to release nutrients for your plants. These unseen heroes are the foundation of a healthy garden. Then you have your plants, each uniquely adapted to its environment, drawing energy from the sun and nutrients from the soil. They form the green backbone of your garden. And of course, the wildlife, insects, birds, and even the occasional hedgehog or toad, all playing a vital role. These creatures help pollinate plants, control pests, and enrich the soil. Introducing pesticides disrupts this intricate web of life, harming beneficial insects and upsetting the balance. This can lead to more problems than it solves. The solution? Work with nature, not against it. By understanding and supporting the natural processes in your garden, you can create a healthier, more resilient ecosystem. Create a garden that's beautiful and resilient, one that can naturally defend itself against pests. Diversity is key. The more variety you have, the stronger your garden will be. The first step is understanding your garden's ecosystem. Take the time to observe and learn about the different species that call your garden home. Observe your garden. What insects do you see? Are they beneficial predators like ladybugs or lacewings? These insects can help keep pest populations in check. Or are they pests munching on your plants? Identifying the problem is the first step to finding a natural solution. Knowing your garden's rhythms and inhabitants is crucial. This knowledge will guide you in making informed decisions that support the health of your garden. Let's talk about some unsung heroes of the garden: beneficial insects. These tiny creatures are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of our garden ecosystems. Ladybugs, for example, are voracious predators, especially in their larval stage, feasting on aphids, mites, and other pests. They are a gardener's best friend, tirelessly working to keep our plants healthy. Lacewings, with their delicate wings and shimmering green bodies, are particularly fond of aphids. They also consume other soft-bodied insects, making them invaluable in pest control. Predatory beetles like the ground beetle and the rove beetle patrol the garden at night, picking off slugs, snails, and caterpillars. These nocturnal hunters are essential for keeping the garden free of these destructive pests. To attract these beneficial insects, provide them with food, shelter, and a welcoming environment. Planting a variety of flowers and creating habitats like bug hotels can make your garden a haven for these helpful creatures. Avoid using pesticides, as they kill beneficial insects just as easily as pests. By eliminating pesticides, you encourage a natural balance in your garden. Planting a diverse range of flowers is also a great way to attract beneficial insects. Different flowers provide various types of nectar and pollen, catering to the needs of different insect species. Flowers with open blooms and short nectar spurs, like yarrow, dill, and cosmos, are particularly attractive to them. These plants are easy for insects to access and provide ample food sources. A garden teeming with beneficial insects is a healthy garden. These insects not only control pests, but also help with pollination, ensuring that your plants produce abundant fruits and flowers. Companion planting is a technique based on the idea that certain plants can help each other thrive by repelling pests. Plants produce chemicals that give them unique scents and flavors, some of which can deter pests. Marigolds, for example, release a strong scent that repels aphids, whiteflies, and even some small animals like rabbits. Planting marigolds alongside tomatoes, beans, or cucumbers can help keep these pests at bay. Basil enhances the flavor of tomatoes and repels tomato hornworms, whiteflies, and aphids. Nasturtiums attract cabbage white butterflies away from your cabbages, acting as a decoy. Companion planting is a natural way to deter pests, using the plant's own defenses to your advantage. It's a harmonious balance in your garden. Even with the best intentions, pests can still be a nuisance. Before reaching for chemical pesticides, let's explore some natural alternatives. Neem oil, a vegetable oil pressed from the fruits of the neem tree, has insecticidal and fungicidal properties. Mix a few tablespoons of neem oil with a liter of water and a squirt of dish soap and spray it on your plants. Garlic spray is another potent weapon. Crush a few cloves of garlic and soak them in water overnight. Strain the mixture and spray it on your plants. Diatomaceous earth, a fine powder made from fossilized diatoms, works by dehydrating pests on contact. Sprinkle it around the base of your plants to create a barrier. Follow instructions carefully and test on a small area of your plants first. Natural pest repellents are effective and gentle on your garden's ecosystem. Let's keep our gardens healthy and pest-free naturally. Sometimes the best defense is a good offense. Physical barriers can be incredibly effective in protecting your plants from pests. Row cover, a lightweight fabric, can be draped over your plants or used to create mini tunnels. It allows sunlight, air, and water to reach your plants while preventing pests from getting in. Netting is a great option for larger plants or areas where you need a more permanent solution. It's especially effective against birds, butterflies, and larger insects. Copper tape can deter smaller pests like slugs and snails by creating a small electrical charge. Wrap copper tape around the base of pots, planters, or even the stems of individual plants. Be proactive and get your barriers in place early in the season. Prevent infestations before they start. Physical barriers are a simple and effective way to protect your garden. A healthy garden is a resilient garden, better equipped to withstand pest infestations. Proper watering is crucial. Overwatering can attract pests, while underwatering can stress your plants. Water deeply and less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Regular pruning improves air circulation, strengthening your plants and making it less hospitable to pests. Remove dead or diseased branches and thin out overcrowded areas. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Add compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. Regularly remove weeds to prevent competition for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Weeds can also harbor pests and diseases. Spend time in your garden, observing your plants. Spot pest problems early on before they spiral out of control. If you're still facing a persistent pest problem, don't despair. There are natural solutions that can help you tackle these pesky invaders without resorting to harsh chemicals. A basic soap spray is simple and effective. It's one of the most popular homemade pest control solutions. Mix a tablespoon of dish soap with a liter of water and spray it on your plants. This mixture works wonders on soft-bodied insects like aphids and spider mites. The soap breaks down the pests' exoskeletons, effectively dehydrating and killing them. It's a quick and easy way to protect your garden. Add a few drops of essential oils like peppermint, rosemary, or thyme for a more potent spray. These oils not only enhance the effectiveness, but also leave a pleasant scent. Essential oils have natural insecticidal properties. They can repel a variety of pests, including ants, beetles, and caterpillars. Chili pepper spray is another effective option. It's particularly good for deterring larger pests. Blend a handful of chili peppers with water, strain the mixture, and spray it on your plants. This spicy solution can keep pests at bay. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a natural pest repellent. This compound irritates pests, making your plants less appealing to them. For fungal diseases like powdery mildew, try a baking soda spray. It's a simple yet effective remedy. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a liter of water and spray it on your plants. This solution helps to neutralize the acidity that fungi thrive on. Always test homemade sprays on a small area of your plants first. This ensures that your plants won't have any adverse reactions to the mixture. Well, there you have it. A few of my tried and true methods for keeping your garden healthy and productive without harsh chemicals. A garden is a living, breathing thing, and the best way to manage it is to work with nature, not against it. By understanding your garden's ecosystem and using natural pest control methods, you can create a beautiful and abundant garden. If you've enjoyed these tips, please subscribe and share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy gardening!